Whoops. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. I went to the store earlier and seen this. See, I got some pictures of the moon like that. Anyway, see the fire. Okay. Shit. Here we go. Okay, yeah. 200 acres burned, 0 contained, smoke visible in high country. Started Sunday. It's in my county. It's north of Marion. I'm not gonna play that video because it's copyright. Anyway, it says on Monday, firefighters worked on the structure protection for 35 residences and 10 minor structures that are threatened by the fire. They, burned up the underbrush and stuff to keep it from spreading, but it's still spreading. And here's where it won't let me highlight none of this shit. So yeah, I'll put links for that below. See, there's that, and that's the area that's burned. I guess. Okay. And here's, another one, there. It's saying the same thing. The fire started on private property. It won't let me highlight it. It's now burning on both private land and U.S. Forest Service land on the Grandfather Ranger District of Pisgah National Forest. So, where is it? Shit. There! The Over Mountain Victory Trail, that's the ones the soldiers used in the Civil War. Anyway. Oh shit. Oops. Didn't want to go that yet. Sorry. Here's, somebody, I guess they're local here, this area, but it's the news.
From Western North Carolina's news leader, this is News 13 at 6.
Quit, Raleigh.
A new wildfire is growing this evening in McDowell County.
It started last
This was
night in Dobson, just north of
the
Marion.
10th.
News 13's Evan Donald joins us live from the firefighter command.
And that's about 2 miles south of the fire, Evan. There are some homes that could be in danger. That's right, fire officials tell us as many as 35 homes are in danger, including, or plus another 10 structures like outhouses, sheds, or garages that may also be in danger. That includes an entire family, 1 generation, 7 people that have lived there for 60 years.
It's scary to look up and see the whole mountain burning that you lived here all your life. We moved here in 1957.
Peggy Benfield is one of 9, count them 9, in the Tipton family, which has now grown through multiple generations.
We enjoy this pretty weather, except for that fire right above us. It's very dangerous to everybody.
No duh.
She saw the fire right above her house last night on her way home from church.
I can see the smoke
Way home from church.
where my house is on fire. But
The Bible Belt. Woohoo!
It's just the whole mountain is on fire.
You can actually feel the heat.
Yeah.
Lots of heat emanating from these embers. And as you can see, most of the ground has been burned.
That's from the recording, by the way. I don't have babies. Mine are growing.
The fire is also moving north up towards the top.
The fire is moving up the mountain, away from the homes, luckily. The big concern right now is protecting public and firefighter safety. It's really rough terrain to put our
Yes, it is.
firefighters directly in the line, so we're looking at where we can fall.
Okay. Enough of that. Here's another one. Motherfucker. Here we go. Hey man, what happened? Subscribe to them. Okay. That's a helicopter there picking up water. Anyway. Okay. I had to keep it honest. Anyway. Just the perspective there. Yeah, there's Charlotte, the Queen City. Woohoo! I looked that up. I've done a post on that. Anyway. It's the Queen City. Second largest banking capital in the U.S. Okay. Anyway, sorry. Dobsons Knob. There. I live down in here. There. So, just perspective there. Okay. Anyway. Okay. And I looked up and seen that I had done. I had a show last year, and we talked about it last year, and last year, and then I was looking again, and there was one there the year before, but it was in July, so ow, fuck, I scratched my burn, but they say about cycles and all that, but anyway, I'll put links to that below and all that stuff. Yeah, it's like these wildfires used to come in like in the summer, and now they're 3 months early. So, if you keep track of the seasons and stuff, you can see all that's out of whack. The solar minimum, and that's tied in with all this shit that these elite people are doing, Agenda 2030, that's my opinion, but, it's something to do with that, and they're trying to hide it from people. Anyway, you look that up, the grand solar minimum, adapt 2030. Okay, anyway, it fucking hurts. Anyway, zero contained. Okay, and then I found this. WATAUGA County Mumps diagnosis remains isolated. Officials continue to urge vigilance. They're continuing to monitor one case of mumps in Appalachian State University from a student who was confirmed April 7th. They're working closely with the North Carolina Division of Public Health Communicable Disease Team and are cooperating to share information and take action as appropriate. While at this time no additional cases of mumps have been detected, we remain on heightened alert for anyone with signs and symptoms compatible with mumps. We continue to urge vigilance, and there's the symptoms that, it spread through close contact, and vaccine. That's how, these outbreaks we've had has come from vaccines. Mumps outbreak involved 97% vaccinated children. That's from, you say experimental vaccines. But, that's what they're not telling you about that shit. So, you get vaccinated, you're contagious, and you can spread the disease, and you can even get the disease that they vaccinated you for. So, keep that in mind, people. Don't do it. Anyway, I seen that while I was, looking up the fire there, and thought I'd have a look. See there, it's got CDC stuff, and it's just shit. I'll look at it when it loads. So, here we go. There. I'll leave links for this stuff. Vaccine preventable contagious disease, and it's bullshit. It's spread through the vaccine. Here's a PDF about it. the mumps. And I won't leave links to this because they're on the page there. So, yeah, that's, yeah, no. As you've seen here, mumps outbreak involved 97% vaccinated children. There. That's about a fake mumps vaccine. You know, just check this stuff out for yourself, you know, and see. But that's it for now, you know. Did I get them links? Hang on just a sec. So, our news. Fire. Get vaccinated. Huh. No. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is some local shit. That's what caught my eye. Let me look really quick and see if there's anything else. Okay. Gas prices jump. Let me get at the pump continues. Like, of course, we knew they would. Random drug search turns up on grandma marijuana. Oh my god, they really found something, didn't they? They make such a big deal out of nothing here. Jesus Christ. They had the canines. Let's see, anything else here. Thieves are everywhere. And it's not, that's gossip crap. Oh, look. And look. Prescribed burns continue. Even though we've got a big wildfire going, they're doing prescribed burns. Okay. I'll look up the link for this. It's a local thing. Let me see my time. Okay. And that's fish. You see the fish? The fish. Horoscope. Should I read mine? No. Funny papers. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's it, pretty much. Oh, look. Church. That's, you know, the big thing here. Oops, sorry. Here. Youth rally offers preaching, gospel music, supercross riders. See, that's how they suck kids into going to church here. Everywhere. You know, come to church. You'll get to see these cool things and get a prize and candy and... But, yeah. Whatever. That's something else I don't agree with, the church thing. Pushing something on people like that. You know, that should be... Don't push it on your kids. Let them decide for themselves. You know, it's all in here. It's not out there. You don't need them to tell you. Anyway, you know that. Sorry. But, like I said, local shit. And my fingers have turned black from the newspaper. I haven't bought a newspaper in a long time. So. Okay, I got another minute. Yeah. Yeah, mostly gossip crap, but that's what you want to, they want you to be afraid. Fire. You know, this happens every year. And they're getting people all worked up over it. Like you saw that little clip of the video of the woman, you know, oh, they're so scared because of the fire. Well, I'd be scared too if it was at my back door, but, it's happens every year. You think people would be used to it, you know. Anyway, let's see. Okay, let me get back. But thank you for watching. Probably do painting tomorrow. I was going to, but I might later, maybe later today, who knows. But thank you for watching. Peace and much love to everybody. I love you. We'll see you next time. Remain vigilant.